Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom shade. Super fun and super easy. All you need is some trim. You can find the pom-pom I'm using here in my shop at sohungryhippie.com. Grab a glue gun and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I figured out how much pom-pom trim I needed. The trim is about 1/2 inch tall in height, and I took a string of it and wrapped it around the lampshade and found I needed a 29-inch length to go all the way around the circumference. So if my shade is 8 inches tall, that's 16 rows. And 16 rows times 29 inches is 464. 464 divided by a yard, which is 36 inches, equals 12.8. So I need about 13 yards of pom-pom trim to do this little shade. You can follow that formula to figure out how much yardage you need for your shade. For the larger shade that's in my Instagram photo, I needed about 20 yards of pom-pom trim. It sounds like a lot, but the impact at the end of it is worth it. So here I'm showing you, I started at the bottom and worked my way up. I've done this both ways, working from the top towards the bottom and the bottom towards the top. I don't see a real big difference. What I do like to do is start at the seam on your lampshade, because that tends to be the back side of the lampshade. And I start in this area pretty much every time, give or take a few inches, because I do want to offset the pom-poms so that the same colors are not on top of each other all the time. And I just work my way up doing this same thing over and over again. You see me cutting off the excess there? Don't throw those away. We're going to use those extra pom-pom balls later to fill in spaces if it looks empty. You can see the third row I offset a little bit and I'm working my way around. It's just super simple. You can put on an audiobook or a podcast, play some gentle music. Anything that soothes your soul. This is just an easy project. And I love that at the end of the day, at the end of this, you have something that looks so fantastic and cheerful. Okay, so we're almost finished here. You can kind of see on the camera those little glue webs, I call them. They're like little stringy bits. At the end of this, we'll pull all those off. It's satisfying. But don't worry too much about that now. Just get the pom-pom covering the lampshade all the way to the brim, and then we'll fill in any holes. So I just snip off some pom-poms by themselves and look at the shade, rotate it around, and I fill in any spots that kind of grab my eye. Here I am pulling off those little glue strings, the glue webs, and then I'm going to put the lamp together and we're all done. Thanks for subscribing and hitting like if you enjoyed this tutorial. Have fun and explore to create. I'll see you soon.